Hi, I'm Scotty from Scotty's Clock World. I'm starting a new series of clock repair videos to help total beginners who are keen to understand how a clock works. You'll also learn how to troubleshoot problems if your clock stops working, because once you know what the problem is, you can then solve it. So if you have no experience at all in working with clocks, but you want to learn how to repair them, for example, say your grandmother's old mantel clock that isn't working, then this series of videos will help you achieve that goal. Beginning next week, I will be uploading a video in this new series every Wednesday. This series will be based on clock repair techniques using commonly available household tools that you probably already own, maybe around the house, in the garage, or in your toolbox. For any tools that you need that you don't already own, I'll let you know where you can obtain them. All explanations will be in plain English. There will be no technical jargon at all, so it'll be very easy for you to understand what we're talking about. There will be one or two inexpensive clock repair tools that you will need to get to service your clock. For example, in the clip you can see at the moment, a mainspring letdown tool is being used. You will need a letdown tool because you can't safely release the power from a mainspring using a winding key. I will tell you where they can be obtained from clock repair suppliers in the US and in the UK. We will be moving along slowly throughout the series, so you'll have plenty of time to understand everything that we're talking about. We'll take our time to explain and demonstrate all the parts and show exactly how they work so that you fully understand them. We will be starting on an American Ansonia clock movement, as it's very easily obtainable and is quite simple to work on. These are some of the topics you'll be learning about. As mentioned before, the tools required. You will learn the correct names for various parts of the clock movement. You'll learn how to disassemble a clock movement safely, cleaning the movement parts with common household products easily available at home, different styles of mainsprings, the cleaning and lubrication of mainsprings, and oiling the movement, as well as what oils to use and what products not to use. Reassembling the movement and a few tips and tricks to help you along the way. Also how to test the movement for accuracy once it's been repaired. Special tools that you can make easy to assist in your clock repairs. I'll tell you how to make those. Also, obviously, how to set a clock in beat once you've repaired it. And you can request a video that you would like to see for additional learning. Also, I will answer all your questions and queries you might have about the videos. So, if that sounds interesting to you, I'll see you for the first video in the series next Wednesday. In the meantime, it might be an idea to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos. Okay, I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday.